How long does an anxiety attack usually last? Anxiety is a term used often to express fear or discomfort of certain situations or events. Anxiety is common, and most people will feel some level of it throughout their lives. If the anxiety is intense, causing you to think you're in danger, it may be an anxiety attack, which is a form of anxiety disorder. About 31.1% of American adults experience some type of anxiety disorder in their lives. 1. In this article, we will go over everything you need to know about anxiety attacks. We will also talk about how long most anxiety attacks last. Have you considered clinical trials for anxiety? We make it easy for you to participate in a clinical trial for anxiety, and get access to the latest treatments not yet widely available, and be a part of finding a cure. What is an anxiety attack, and how does it differ from a panic attack? While these two mental health terms are often used interchangeably, there are a few important differences. Anxiety is considered a natural stress response. Panic attacks are more severe and often overwhelming. Some people describe feeling like they are having a heart attack, while others question whether they are losing their minds. If your level of anxiety starts interfering with your life, it may indicate an anxiety disorder. In these cases, it's important to talk to your doctor. They may want to know how long your anxiety attacks last, what your triggers are, and how often you feel this way. This disorder is more common in children but can occur in adults. About 4.7% of adults in the U.S. experience panic disorder at some point during their lives. What are the signs of an anxiety attack? Anxiety disorders have several components, and they can be difficult to diagnose. Making matters more complicated are the diverse signs and symptoms that a person might experience. Many of these symptoms can be a sign of other health problems. If not, and the fear continues, it may be a sign of an anxiety disorder. How long do anxiety attacks usually last? Most anxiety attacks last between a few minutes and half an hour. They will usually reach their peak in about 10 minutes. Of course, during an attack, time feels slower, and 10 minutes may feel like an hour. On the other hand, if the feeling persists much longer, such as hours or days, it may not be an anxiety or panic attack. There is also the possibility that a person might have several panic or anxiety attacks back to back. Can an anxiety attack last for days? Another possibility is that many anxiety attacks occur back to back, making it feel like one long episode. This can be especially hard on the body because anxiety symptoms happen due to the fight or flight response. This response is a series of physical responses the body goes through to help get you out of a bad situation or warn you of a potential threat. How do you calm an anxiety attack? Remember that the fight or flight response is your body's way of preparing you for survival. What are some techniques to prevent and manage anxiety attacks? Stress relief meditation, deep breathing, Tai Chi, massage, and mindfulness are just a few ways to lower stress. They can help you stay calmer longer. 46. When should you see a doctor? A doctor can help rule out other causes of your anxiety and can also prescribe medication to help with it. 4. The good news is that anxiety attacks respond very well to treatment and often in a short amount of time. The lowdown. Anxiety attacks can have the power to uproot your life, but they're also highly treatable. 6. In some cases, medication might be the best fit for some, while a more mindful approach can help others. Understanding what causes the anxiety will help you overcome it, which gets you back to a calmer state.